Did you know that your cells contain tiny powerhouses that keep you energized and help your body heal, no matter your age? Today we're diving into mitochondria, the fuel cells of your body, and exploring how they don't deteriorate as you age, contrary to popular belief. In fact, we'll explain how exercise and even certain foods can recharge those powerhouses, helping you stay energized and repair faster as you get older. And we'll back it all up, as always, with science. All this and more today on the Personal Age Fitness Podcast. Welcome to the Personal Age Fitness Podcast, where we are dispelling the myths of health, fitness, and wellness. I'm your host, Garrett Williamson, president of Personal Age Fitness. And today, we're continuing our series on how the body heals itself, as always, at any age. And we're focusing on one of the most critical components of that process, mitochondria, or what we also call your cellular powerhouses. If you have any questions about today's episode, or if you'd like to learn more, feel free to reach out to us at 251-278-3343. That's 251-278-EDGE. You can also email me at Garrett, Garrett, at personaladefitness.com. You can visit our website at personaladefitness.com. And you can also connect with us on Twitter or X at Team PE, or Facebook if you choose, at Personal Age Fitness. Now let's dive into this. Let's talk about the mitochondria. These tiny organelles found in almost every cell are essential for creating the energy we need to move, breathe, and think. But they do far more than that. They are also heavily involved in repairing and maintaining your cells, whether it's your muscles, organs, or even in your skin. Mitochondria are crucial for cellular health. Now, there's a common myth out there that the mitochondrial function deteriorates significantly as we age, contributing to fatigue and decline in physical ability. While it's believed, it's accepted that the mitochondrial efficiency seems to change with time, it's far from inevitable. And here's the good news. Regular exercise can act as a natural recharger for mitochondria. In fact, a study published in Cell Metabolism found that older adults who engaged in consistent aerobic exercise experienced a significant boost in mitochondrial efficiency, comparable to younger athletes. Think about that for a moment. The key takeaway here is that age doesn't dictate how well your mitochondria work. It's what you do with your body that matters. So how does exercise help your mitochondria stay young and efficient? It comes down to a process called mitochondrial biogenesis. Now, that's a fancy term, but it basically means your body is producing new mitochondria when you exercise. Think of it like upgrading from a single battery to a whole pack of batteries. More mitochondria equals more energy and better cellular function. Now, this is crucial for keeping cells young and efficient. A study from McMaster's University published in Experimental Gerontology found that older adults who engaged in regular resistance and aerobic exercise saw the same process of mitochondrial biogenesis as younger participants. In short, exercising regularly signals your body to make new mitochondria, which help keep your energy levels up and slows down what we continually attribute to the effects of time passing on a calendar, the effects of aging. So rather than thinking of your mitochondria as deteriorating with age, think of them as adaptable. The more you use them, the better they function. Your body is a highly advanced self-healing machine. Unlike a car that breaks down after years of use, your muscles and cells can improve with the right stress and recovery. Now, exercise isn't the only factor that can improve mitochondrial function. Diet plays a critical role as well. Certain nutrients directly impact mitochondrial efficiency and production. Now, let's start with a very common supplement. Coenzyme Q10, commonly referred to as CoQ10. This compound found in meat and fish is vital for energy production within the mitochondria. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine showed that supplementing with coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, improved mitochondrial function in older adults, boosting their energy levels and their physical performance. And then there's resveratrol. I have a tough time with that word, resveratrol, which you may have heard of in relation to red wine. This compound is shown to activate pathways associated with mitochondrial health. A study published in Nature indicated that resveratrol could mimic some of the effects of exercise at the cellular level, stimulating mitochondrial biogenesis. Now, I'm not telling you to drink a bottle of wine after every workout, but it does show that what we consume can support our mitochondrial health and, by extension, our energy and repair systems. Certain diets or parts of a diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grain, and healthy fats, has been shown to improve mitochondrial function as well. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging found that older adults who followed a diet similar to the Mediterranean diet had improved mitochondrial activity and reduced oxidative stress markers. This reinforces that not only is diet important for your overall health, but it also directly impacts your cell's ability to repair and regenerate. Now, let's shift gears a little bit and talk about the specifics of exercise intensity and how it impacts your mitochondria. This I found fascinating. There is a amazing area of research known as mitochondrial dynamics, which refers to how mitochondria change shape and function within your cells. They constantly undergo processes called fusion and fission. Fusion helps mitochondria mix their contents, and fission removes damaged mitochondria. Both processes are crucial for keeping your cells healthy and energy efficient. A study published in Nature Communications looked at how different exercise intensities affect these mitochondrial dynamics in older adults. The researchers found that participants who engaged in, get this, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT training, experienced a greater increase in mitochondrial fusion compared to those who performed moderate intensity exercise, things like most of your aerobic exercise, your walking and what have you. This suggests that high-intensity workouts might enhance the resilience and function of your mitochondria, even more than moderate intensity exercise. It makes sense. Think about it. High intensity interval training usually trains muscles, making them stronger, making them more resistant. Does the same thing for your mitochondria. Think about it. The harder you push, the more resilient your cells become. You're essentially teaching your mitochondria to become better at their job. No different than an athlete training. The athlete training intensively gets better at their job. Mitochondria do the same thing. This keeps your muscles and cells energized and, quote unquote, youthful. It's yet another reason why the body, as I've said many times, unlike any other machine, gets stronger and more efficient with use rather than breaking down, which we've all just accepted. So, what does it all mean for aging? I think it's pretty obvious. The evidence is clear. Mitochondria don't simply shut down as we get older. In fact, with the right combination of exercise and diet, they continue to function efficiently, keeping your body's repair processes active. Your cells can continue to produce energy and repair themselves no matter how many birthdays, no matter your age, as long as you give them the right conditions. This is what makes the human body unique. I keep saying it again and again and again. Unlike a machine that wears out over time, your body has the ability to repair itself and even get stronger with the right input, all the way down to inside the cell level. To wrap things up, mitochondria are your body's fuel cells, and they play a key role in not only keeping you energized, but also helping you recover and repair at any age. While it's accepted, it's believed that mitochondrial efficiency can decline with age, regular exercise and the right diet can act as a recharger, keeping your cells functioning at their best. Whether it's producing new mitochondria or enhancing their dynamics through high-intensity exercise, your body has the ability to repair itself like no machine ever could. If you'd like to learn more about optimizing your cellular health or have questions about today's episode, reach out to us at 251-278-3343. That's 251-278-EDGE. You can also email me at garrett@personalegefitness.com or visit personalegefitness.com. You can also connect with us on X or Twitter at Team PE and Facebook at Personal Age Fitness. Remember, your body is built to repair and improve forever at any age. And as always, this is just one more way Personal Age Fitness helps you reach your level of wellness. Thank you so much for joining me today, and hope to see you next time.